Alright guys, today we're gonna do a 2-in-1 type of reaction video today. We're gonna finally check out Puppet Show's choreography video, officially from the XG YouTube channel, and as well as the newly released Puppet Show behind the scenes video, so I'm excited. I heard that the camera work in this Puppet Show choreography video goes off, and I'm excited to see. Ready, set, go! Shoot. Bro, dude. This green screen is next level. Woo! Hey, 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 hey! Woo! Okay. Oh, dude, they look like superheroes, bro. Listen to what comes out my mouth. Woo! Oh, look at this camera. Hit me like a lady, this ain't up for the baby. Ooh, man, dude, they look beautiful. Imagine a world where we could play different roles, where girls be taking control. Wrapping our fingers, they couldn't tell us no. Welcome to the puppet show. Hey, hey, hey! Ow, look at this camera work, bro. I'm gonna break my neck. Anything, when you got them hanging by a string. Okay, Maya. Hey, come on, Coconut. Come on. Hey. Woo! Bro, this video is heavenly. Bye, Felicia, with it. So got it! Hey! Oh my god, Coconut looks so nice! Oh, look at Hinata! Okay, Chisa! Oh! Oh, look at that smile! Bro, yeah, this set is just great. Ooh, look at that zoom in! Woo! Anything, when you got them hanging by a string. With toys, Juria! Anything, come on, Juria. Oh, sorry, not Juria, Chisa. Look, this is beautiful, brother! Whoa, look at that! I love the reflection on the bottom, bro. Oh! Plastic dolls that do anything. Hey! Okay. Hey! Ooh! Oh, that was in the music video. Anything, when you got them hanging by a string. Perfection, bro. Yeah, that set was gorgeous. Well, you know, I mean, the set is just the platform, but you know, the green screen and the special effects made it even more beautiful, dude. Yeah, you can never go wrong with an official choreography video just because you know the camera work is just gonna be top tier. It's gonna be pure eye candy. The girls look great. Oh man. All right, let's just jump straight into the BTS video. Let's see how they filmed the music video and the video we just watched. All right, Puppet Show music video behind the scenes. Let's go. Ready, set, go. Ooh, Chisa in the air. Hina-chan with their Wi-Fi hairstyle. RV, Juria with the iconic close-up scene. Oh, we listen to it everywhere for sure. Yeah, Didi did so much hairspray for that hair, I'm pretty sure. Lady is named up for the baby. Dang, that person was tall.
来ました。그래서 지금 파펫의方たちと 踊っています.
파레이드에 皆さんを導いていくという.
Okay, okay, okay.
오늘 의상 포인트는 이거. 짠.
Look at that tattoo, bro. Oh, they're initials.
とても可愛い.
Oh. Oh. Do anything. Ashu. Hey, don't like a look at this picture? I'm in a picture.
퍼펫분들이 진짜 많이 계셔서 깜짝 놀랐어요. 분위기가 너무 뭔가 완전 다른 느낌? 여태까지 XG의 완전 다른 그런 콘셉트로 촬영할 수 있었던 것 같아서
Dang, look at those fangs, dude.
다음 촬영도 너무 기대돼요.
ちなみにパペットショーは私の推し曲です。私もです。
Oh, how cute. Dang, dude. Oh my god, the infamous running scene. Oh. Wow. Oh, this is when she starts floating. Or when she grabs the balloon. Wow, look at that professionalism.
このまま行っちゃうんだけどっていう。こういう。そうそうそうそうそうそうそう。
かわいい。ぶら下がる準備してます。緊張。
Wow, look at these acrobats. No, they must have so much fun filming this music video. Eggy, little Eggy. She's like, you better not be pointing at me.
今回パペットショーの楽曲はとてもパンチ感のあるドラムリズムにドラムリズム結構あるじゃないですか。
そうですね。私すごい大好き。ね、始まった時からもう来たっていう感じ。
そこにまたピアノサウンド。
あっしゅ。
雰囲気が来ちゃうっていうとても遊び心のある楽曲でございます。
Who is that person? Juria absolutely killed that part, bro. Hey. Man, look at them. They're so focused. Okay. Celebration. Okay. Wow.
フィナーレですね。はい。ミニアルバムのフィナーレなんですけど、今回のパペットショーでは神秘的で妙なパペットたちが開いているパレードにされるというので出演に来たんですけれども、こう新たにアクティングだったりとか、この独特なユートピアの世界観での撮影をして、本当に XG にとっては新たな挑戦。
Heck yeah, dude. They haven't done something like this. And they killed it.
ガールギャング、TGIF、ニューダンス、パペットショーと来ましたが、まだまだこれからまた新たな
Yeah!
ぜひこれからの XG、そしてこのミニアルバム New DNA を
Ooh, man, can't you believe they're already cooking the new stuff, bro?
It's our first
Woo!
ニューミニアルバム New DNA、ぜひ楽しんで聴いてください。聴いてください。
Aww. Oh. Aww. That was cute. It was nice seeing how all that stuff worked, because, you know, Puppet Show was the first time they did something different with the music video in terms of like storytelling and the cinematics and the acting, you know, and they absolutely killed it. The girls, they killed it, bro. And it was nice seeing how you know, how the green screen worked and all the suspensions and all the, you know, how the girls were floating in the air and stuff. Pretty funny. Yeah, XG is drowning us with content, bro, and I'm here for it. They are absolutely spoiling us with this content, and I cannot complain. But yeah, did you guys like the video? Leave your comments down below. Always support our girls, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until next time, peace out.